Okay students, welcome back. Today I'm going to tell you about this portion of preposition of time, because again someone has asked me to make a video on this portion. So dear, this is for you. Preposition of time tell when things happen, means it is the time when things are happening. So be careful about the time of happening. Some prepositions of time are in, on, at, by, from, before, after, for, since, during, and till. Means these are the preposition of time. For example, the train will leave the platform at 7 o'clock. Means at sharp 7 o'clock. So we use at because we already have the exact time of 7 o'clock. Second, we have the exhibition is open from 9 a.m. till 7 p.m. So there is the specific time given in the opening of exhibition. Exhibition means the exhibition is available during these hours, means 9 a.m. to 7 p.m. So there is a fixed time period. So we use from and till. Third one, we have I was sleeping during the first half of the movie. I was sleeping during the first half of the movie means during you have to do the first rule, which is the word during is used to refer to a period of time from the beginning till the end. See, in during we never use a fixed or a sharp time or an exact time. We only use a period of time, means beginning of the time and ending of the time, means total period of time. So we use during. So whenever we are doing third example na, we should have a look on first rule. Like I was sleeping during the first half of the movie, then first half is the period of time. Okay, then we have second, the word since is used to refer to a point of time, means a point of time which is exactly fixed, like we use at 7 o'clock. So whenever we have point of time, we use since, means it is not like that 7 o'clock, it is means it is having the whole big year or whole full day. Like for example, since 2020 or since March 2020, as you can know na, as you can already understand about this COVID-19 pandemic, this arrives in March 2020. So we can write since 2020 or since March 2020 we are facing this problem of COVID-19 pandemic. So that is the reason. In third example, the word for is used to refer a period of time, means it is not the point of time, it is a period of time. See, you can ask me, during is also a period of time, so for is also a period of time, but there is a difference. See, what is the difference? Example, for using for, you use for a week, means you are not particular as beginning and starting like during. During is about beginning and ending, but for is about for a week, for 3 years, means it is not having beginning time and ending time, still it is a period of time, means Monday to Sunday or 1 to 3 years. Fine. So examples are during the rain, as we can see in first example, The word during is used to refer to a period of time from beginning till the end. So during the rain. Rain will start continuing from last night to tonight. So we can say during the rain, during monsoon, since 2008, it is point of time. Since Monday, point of time. For a week, period of time means Monday to Sunday. And for 3 years means 1, 2, 3, all 3 years. Fine. So now we have this exercise. I just want to give you a link in the description box, so please check from there, and also this and also this. Okay, bye bye, take care, stay tuned.